Hey guys, I'm Tamisha with Toolbox Divas, and I've accepted the Lock It Up Challenge by Loctite. So, I'm gonna show you 3 things that you can lock up in 24 hours using various Loctite products. All right guys, let's get dirty. First up, I'm going to use some Loctite Tite foam gaps and cracks to seal an opening that I found around my pipes under my sink. Loctite Tite foam gaps and cracks seals and insulates gaps up to 1 inch and is suitable for usage indoor and outdoor. It works really well around pipes and sealing any kind of openings that you might find around the house. Next up, I'm going to take care of my garage. My garage floor and driveway is in need of some serious love, but it's cold outside, so there's not a whole lot that I can do. But what I can do is add weather stripping to the garage floor under the garage door. And the best adhesive for a job like this is Loctite's PL Premium Max. This construction adhesive can be applied to a wet surface or a frozen surface down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be used indoor or outdoor, but it's Loctite's strongest construction adhesive. And it can be used on wood, laminate, drywall, concrete, brick, mason, stone. I even use it to redo my garden in the spring. The process of adding this weather stripping to my garage door was fairly simple and quick. It took me less than an hour. And after 20 minutes, this weather strip wasn't going anywhere. And lastly, I'm going to tackle something decorative using Loctite's Power Grab Ultimate Crystal Clear Construction Adhesive. I'm going to make an outdoor wall art that'll also function as a solar powered light. Loctite's Power Grab Ultimate Crystal Clear Construction Adhesive is perfect for this job because it is all weather and it bonds quickly to any surface, even wet or non-porous ones. And my favorite feature is it's clear. Being that this is a decorative wall piece, I like that it's clear and I don't have to worry about it seeping through. So, what do you think? This probably took the longest, maybe 3 hours, because I had to wait for the paint to dry. Alright guys, so I hope I've inspired you to go out there and take on this challenge on your own. And I've showed you how easy it is to repair different things or to lock things up in your own home. In the comments, please let me know what you plan on tackling in your own home with some of these products. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. All right, guys, till next time.